Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly unbox the 2025 QN900F series TV from Samsung. Okay, so the first step is going to be to cut through these two plastic straps here. That's going to allow us to open up the top of the box and take the accessories out. Here we've got a packet of accessories and some installation guide information. And on the other side is our pedestal. And here's a quick look at all the accessories that come in the box. Now that we've taken the accessories out, we're gonna remove this top piece of styrofoam here from the box. And now that the styrofoam's out, with the help of a second person, you're just gonna lift the box off the TV. Also remember, the TV can be a bit wobbly during this process, so you're gonna wanna make sure you do this on a flat surface. Okay, after you get the box off of the top, you're gonna see this kind of air packing in the front. It'll probably fall off on its own, but if it doesn't, you're just gonna wanna take it up like this and throw it off to the side. Because this is the 65-inch version, you're gonna have these two cutouts in the styrofoam at the base here, and you and whoever's helping you, you're just gonna reach down into those, you're gonna lift the TV up and then set it face down on a flat surface. And a little pro tip here, standing with your feet kind of hugging the box is gonna make it a little easier to lift the TV out. Here's a closer look at the pedestal leg. You're gonna notice that there's a short side and a long side. The long side is gonna face the front of the TV when it's installed. And then as you turn it around here, you'll notice these 4 notches. Each one is a set. So you're either gonna use the top ones if you want it at a lower setting, or the bottom ones if you wanna use it at a higher setting. And you'll also see on the back of the TV, it'll say low, high, and then there's these 2 pins that are gonna clip into place on either of those sets. So to get the pedestal attached to the TV, you've got those 2 pins there like we talked about, and then you've got all these cutouts in the back of the pedestal foot. You're going to take this and sort of lay it on here until it kind of falls into place. And then if you're gonna set it on the higher position, you wanna make sure you can see the word low up here at the top by the time you're done. You're gonna hold on to here, push from the bottom, and it'll lock into place. If you wanna do it in the low profile position, you can remove it, slide it up a little bit, and push it up again, and then you won't be able to see that word low anymore. You also get 2 of these covers in the box, and these are gonna be used to cover up whichever pedestal positions you don't use. And as you can see, there's a little cutout here on the bottom that's gonna face the bottom of the TV, and those are just gonna snap into place like this. And as long as we have the TV laying face down, it gives us easy access to the power plug. So we're just gonna plug that in like that. I do recommend leaving this piece on here to keep everything bundled up tightly so nothing gets pinched underneath the TV when you lift it up and turn it around. And now with the help of a second person, we're just gonna lift the TV up, turn it around, and get it plugged in. So as you can see, it's a very straightforward setup. There are a couple different ways you can install the pedestal, which is really nice, especially if you have a smaller entertainment stand. Picture quality on this one is outstanding so far. Sound quality is excellent. So we're really happy with what we've seen so far. Make sure you stay tuned because we're going to show you more about this TV in our upcoming overview. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.